here we're at our fishing spot we found, and we caught a few triggerfish. 2 of them were blue, I'm pretty sure it was 2 of them, and there was one that was kind of black.
Right, beautiful.
And also, when Dad threw a big piece of bait in there, in the ocean, thousands of fish went for it.
Right, let's have a look at the water. Now, you reckon Rowan should jump off the rocks and have a look?
No, I'm not jumping off.
Alright. Thanks, Rowan.
Alright, I'm gonna climb down here. This?
Yep, and at the back. You might go fart noises.
Like that? Here I go.
Yep. What sort of fish was that, Rowan?
I'm not really sure.
It was a triggerfish.
Yeah.
And what sort of noise do you make? That's it.
Underneath there.
There's a bit of crazy fungus up there, isn't there, Rowan?
Yeah.
It's like a mushroom. Could you show us how you can eat it, Rowan?
You can't eat it.
But you can try.
No.
You could eat it.
We're inside a tree.
Are we? Now, this is a parasitic tree. And if we look up,
You can see like a tunnel.
yeah, there used to be another tree in the middle, but it's died.
Yeah. And we're gonna climb out. We're gonna climb out of here. Through here.
Alright, because we came in that way. And now, Miss Rowan is going to climb out through that way. Just be careful and take it slow. Action girl. Cool. That's awesome, Rowan.
I'm out.
Can you wave through the hole? No, there. Hello. Alright, I'm kind of coming out. And what do they do, Rowan?
They just word up.
And continuing our special on Christmas Island, here's our roving, ugly reporter, Rowan.
I'm not ugly. Alright, these are the blowholes. They're powered by the light. The bigger the laser, over there, there have been some really huge blowholes. Whoa!
Whoa!
That's a stop!
That was the one, wasn't it, Rowan? Here comes another one. This might be another big one just like it. One more, it's going to be another big one.
The wheel is on the wrong side of the bus.
Now here we are at the jetty where they used to load the old sailing ships. And here is a cart that they used to load with. Now Rowan, can you tell me what's wrong with that?
Rusty?
Yeah, I think so.
Here we're just in a boat and we're just driving past Home Island. And also,
Yeah.
we have a glass bottom here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very close to the bottom.
And also, sometimes when you get a bit further out, you can't see much. But when you get closer in, you can see a bit better.
Beautiful.
We're at Hopeless, and I'm doing a bit of snorkeling. It's really shallow in this part. Even when you get a bit quite far out, it can be quite shallow. Also, I can show you how far you'll need to go. And I'll do a bit of snorkeling. Right, here I go.
Hopefully it won't come back.
Alright, there's coconut. That's floating in the water.
Sailing away.
Here is the nicest beach in the world.
Is it? What's so nice about it, Rowan?
All the water is like so blue and clear.
Mm.
It's just the right temperature. The sand's all like really smooth.
Right, let's have a look around. There's lots of weeds around, isn't there, Rowan?